And this is the book that I got from the bookstore. Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Ruth, and let's chat about my Claremont packing district experience. This was a fun little gem because you can view the mountains from afar, and then all the leaves that are planted around this building makes it just feel so festive and fun. I think this packing house district was known for lemons, and so they converted it into shops, restaurants that you can enjoy and walk around. So it's not too big. There are two levels. The lower level, there's some restaurants down there, a bookstore, cute little coffee shop, and then at the second level is just more like rooms and I guess uh, office shops. There's some office things upstairs, but I found this little gem at the bookstore. So this is used. I'm kind of on my era of trying to find some fun little leather bound books. Unfortunately, this one's a little bit damaged, but that is okay. This book is T.S. Eliot's. It's a collection of a lot of his poems and short stories that he has here. It is very well used, as you can see here. The pages are already yellowing. It really does smell like old books, but I just could not pass this up. I mean, T.S. Eliot is a great author, and I just love the color of the book as well. It's so simple. And this cost me, I think, 13 bucks. Again, this is my second time buying used books, leather type books at a bookstore. I'm sure there are other maybe cheaper options like at estate sales that I mentioned in a previous video. But for now, I kind of wanted to support a local bookstore. Also, if you didn't notice in the video, I'll have it here again. But the way the layout was of the video, the bookshelves were kind of in a zigzag, so that was a fun way of like navigating through the aisles and things like that. And there was like artwork on the top, and it was of course decorated for the holidays. So loved my experience in that bookstore, and I hope that you'll have a chance to visit it too. So as I mentioned, on the first floor there are little shops, and this mom and pop shop, I'll also link a video up here. They do their own woodworking, and I loved it because the husband did this, and I loved it. The spoon, the cooking spoon, so it says "Don't make me poison you." So I just love the little saying here. Not gonna act on it, but it's just kind of like a fun little thing that the husband and the wife runs their store. So, and he does a lot of like other woodworking stuff. So would recommend you also check out their store because his talking to the owner, he said that his wife kind of is the visionary and she does all of the like displays for the items, and he just kind of does the woodworking. So I love that duo there, and small business. Please support. This I didn't buy, but I received it as a gift and I wanted to share. I will once I finish reading it, I'll definitely share my thoughts, but I kind of just wanted to show you another book that I received, and not by the author. It was a gift from a friend, and so I'm excited to read. It's called Present in Prayer: A Guided Invitation to Peace Throughout Biblical Meditation. So this is more of a religious book. So obviously, if you're not religious, um, you can ignore this. But I just wanted to share with you like a gift that a friend gave me, and I thought it was very thoughtful. Just from first impressions, love the color. Anything pink catches my eye. Two, this little artwork right here is also nice and simplistic, but I feel like has many meanings. So love the artwork as well. So just wanted to share with you some of the little things that I bought or received on my little adventure to the Claremont packing house. Alrighty, happy reading!